Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. ChatGPT has released its new plugin code interpreter for all ChatGPT Plus users. With the ChatGPT code interpreter, we can analyze data, edit images, and write Python code. You can upload files into the code interpreter, and it will analyze the data and provide you with the important things. To use this latest update of ChatGPT, you need to have ChatGPT Plus subscription. In this video, we are going to see how to use the ChatGPT code interpreter. Before getting started, subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for instant notifications. To use code interpreter in ChatGPT, we need to enable the plugin first. Click the three dots on the bottom left corner, select the settings option, select beta features, and make sure the code interpreter toggle is on. Now, return back to the chat interface and select GPT-4 and choose code interpreter. Okay, now we are ready to use code interpreter. We can upload a CSV file by clicking the plus icon and ask ChatGPT to explain this file in simpler terms. And now you can see the code interpreter starts working for it. It also creates the Python code without asking for it. You can see it by clicking show work. Here, I am just leaving it minimized. Wow, that's amazing, right? It is just explaining the document in plain English for us. You can ask for a graph, pie chart, or key points about the data sets of the document. It will give you an output within a minute. So you don't need to be a data analyst anymore. ChatGPT will work for you. Okay, now let's upload a video and ask to convert it into an animated GIF. It asks me to specify the timestamp of the GIF to start. Let's enter start from the beginning. You can see it will start working on it. Wow, it created a GIF. You can download the GIF by clicking the file. Okay, let us see the generated GIF. Pretty impressive. This amazing ChatGPT plugin, you can resize an image, crop the image, and convert into any file format. You can also create a slideshow by uploading the zip file with many images. Try this latest feature from OpenAI and leave a comment below about your experience. Okay, that's all for this video. We've covered an article about the ChatGPT code interpreter plugin. Article link is provided in the description. Please don't forget to check it out. I hope this video provides helpful information about how to use the ChatGPT code interpreter. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment below. And if you enjoyed this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. Thanks for watching.